Long nails using 3C products. Itchy eyes, feeling uncomfortable, blurry vision. I have Daylife new products. External device for eyes. Daylife Smart Eye Massager. Very easy to use. Put on. Make it cover your surrounding eyes. Click this button to activate. Get rid of tired eyes. Recover from dry eyes. Improve blood circulation. Helping nutrition absorption. Not for sale. It's free gift. It's so worth it. Make an order now. Buy 9 free 3 and get Smart Eye Massager for free with RM1780 only.